water was picking up some speed. Beautiful day out as you scan the sky. And then you look down and you see that is my front yard. It was. Ha! Thought of something. We had a freaking beachfront property. Just put some mulch down, some freaking grass. Well, I guess all that goodbye. Fun. Another freaking cleanup. Ooh! Female probably fucks in the ass again this time too. Dude, just open up the damn freaking dam. Sure, it's coming up pretty fast. Holy fuck off.